My girl Tiffany at ZBAGS said, now, Dangerous Diva, I'm gonna send you something that is for the bad and bougie on a budget, okay? So this is for all my bad and bougie chicks that are on a budget. Hey you guys, I'm super duper excited today. Why am I so excited? Because I have a surprise package. Who doesn't like surprise packages? I love surprise packages. I hope you do. I can't wait to open the surprise package from ZBAGS, so let's get into it. And by the way, I'm Dangerous Diva. I just want to be your favorite diva. Why should I be your favorite diva? Because I will be reviewing all of the different handbags from Chanel, Louis Vuitton, not to show off, but to give you an insightful review. I could go on and 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 on, but if you like everything beauty and mom stuff, click subscribe. Now let's get into the surprise package. Oh, and that Chanel bag right there, I'll be unboxing that a little later today, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you can check out that video. But let's get into this surprise package from Tiffany ZBAGS. Oh, what a mystery, it's double wrapped. I feel like it's Christmas. One layer down, one to go. They know how to package some boxes together. Man, talk about secret. Got the package open. The package is secure. Too secure. Oh, I see an orange box. Louis Vuitton. Well, let's check it out and see. My girl Tiffany at ZBAGS said, now, Dangerous Diva, I'm gonna send you something that is for the bad and bougie on a budget, okay? So this is for all my bad and bougie chicks that are on a budget and may not have the coins to spend on your conventional Louis Vuitton, if you know what I mean. So let's get this open. I don't know how to open it. Aha, pull the strings. Let's do the review. See it, 1, 2, 3. Oh, still Louis Vuitton. Ooh, it smells like leather. Surprise! Look at this two-tone leather goodie. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, this is different. This is cute. I think it's kind of cute. I think I kind of like her. I should name her. So this reverse monogram Louis Vuitton bag. It's two-tone leather. You got the chocolate leather and the I call it like a Reese's Pieces brown, but the handle is super duper cute. I love how you can just hold it like this, and then let's unzip it. Now it's a pretty deep, good size. It's small, but it's practical. You could still fit a phone, a wallet. How cute! It has the handbag crossbody belt, and it also came with a lock and key. Look at the lock right here. And it also has the LV on it, if you can see that. I love the detail. They really pay attention to detail. It smells like leather. It's looking like leather, and it feels like leather, ladies. And it looks like Louis Vuitton. So we might have a winner here, guys. So if you want to be bad, bougie, and on a budget, let me tell you, click the link below, because a diva is going to save you some money right now. Listen very carefully. First, what you have to do is go to the description, click the link in the description or the comment section, and I will have a coupon code waiting for you to save you $30. Now, A bag like this at Louis Vuitton would normally cost you $2,500 to $4,000, if not over $4,000. This bag at ZBAGS, $348. Yes! And I'm gonna save you $30. So hurry up, click the link below. Make sure you tell them Dangerous Diva sent you. And we can look cute with this bag. If you think I should give this bag away with all the trimmings, the box, the belt, the lock and key, leave me a comment below, because I want to do a giveaway on this channel. I'm not sure if I should give away Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, or a bag from ZBAGS. I don't know about Chanel, but we might graduate to that. But right now, that's what I'm thinking about. So leave a comment below. Let me know you were here, and we'll see what I give away. So again, you get the bag. It's small, but it's practical. It's the Louis Vuitton monogram, reverse on top, and it's two-tone leather. Now, I gotta tell you, the quality is really good for a dupe. I'm telling you, like, the quality is really, really good. I like the detail. They have the Louis Vuitton on all the gold and on the bag. I love it. It feels very good. It really does. I'm not just telling you that. I wouldn't just steer you wrong. So now I'm gonna take it out and put it on. Zip that off. We'll zip you up. This feels pretty good. And then we're gonna get the strap. So now I want to try on this bag, ladies, to show you what it looks like on the body, crossbody, and holding it. Okay, ladies, so I put this purse on, and it's cute. So this is what it looks like on the shoulder, but I probably wouldn't wear it on the shoulder. I would probably hold her like this. I just like it like this. I don't know. I think it's cute like this. I probably would not keep the strap on it, but again, you can wear it crossbody. Let me show you the other way. Okay, let me give you guys a better view. Turn the camera around, and this is the bag. Again, this is what it looks like on. It's a nice size on your body. Small. I mean, it actually feels good like this. I would probably wear it like this, but I could see myself really wearing it like this or like this. It's just a cute little buttercup. Isn't it a cute little buttercup? So I think I would wear it like this. You obviously could also wear it crossbody. I would definitely lengthen it so it could fall like right at the hip area. But yeah, this is the bag. Ladies, you know what to do. You want to shop for this bag, make sure you click the link below. Not only this bag, but there are several more that you would probably find very interesting, cute. So make sure you click the link below. Shop and have fun. And don't forget to get the coupon code, $30 off. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling this bag, but even though I'm feeling this bag, comment below if you want me to give this away. I was gifted, and I'm just such a giver that I would give this away as well. So if you like this bag, make sure you leave me a comment below, and you could be the lucky winner. If you think I should give something else away, comment below what you think I should give, because I love to give. And you guys should too. Make sure you spread love. Thanks for watching Dangerous Diva. Click subscribe, click the bell so you can be notified every time I release a video. I don't know, but I like this two-tone leather. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Tiffany. I appreciate it. You're a doll. Thanks for watching. God bless.